today we're going to talk about just plain old how to style your wardrobe. So we're going back to basics, but it's going to rock your world. Trust me, because we have so many tips in store for you. So if you love what you see, everything's on our website, which is motto.com.au. And if you are watching us after we're live, please put hashtag replay in the comments.
Those of you who don't know us, Faye, Laura, and Stars Motto Fashion, mother, daughter team, and we're on social platforms. Or every weekday, nearly losing my voice. I think I talk too much. Pre-live.
Get it out.
I actually thought that we were going to talk about a printed suit. Was that part of it or not?
No,
it's not a style of wardrobe. No. Who cares about a printed suit?
Well, we're wearing a print. Well, I'm not. Faye's wearing a printed suit. But the point is, it's not about the suit.
Not about anything.
It's about nothing.
It's about no. It's not about anything you're wearing. It's about how you're wearing it.
Exactly, and I think
not
that's
the thing.
And I think that's where really we can offer you most value, because we style things all day long. And you know, sometimes you put something on and you just don't have a vibe. Well, when we put something on, we always have a vibe. So we're going to share our secrets with you.
Sometimes I don't. I have to confess. I've got a secret. Sometimes I don't have a vibe. I get the vibe out.
I don't leave the house until I have a vibe.
No, same here. But what I mean is it's not instant. Sometimes I have to go, oh, hang on, change this, add this.
Yeah.
Do that. Yeah, I thought
we're not magic.
Oh, I thought you were saying we're magic.
Believe it or not, sometimes we're
magic.
To wear.
Yeah, even though you don't know it, we're magic. No, I just threw that in because I like the sound of it.
Why not?
Okay, so who's starting?
You start because you're in a new suit, and you thought we were talking about suits, so go for it.
And look, and I've got a new belt on too, but I want to show you the suit first. It's beautiful. Okay, it's this gorgeous fabric. Don't know if you can see the little tiny shimmer in it. It has a tiny bit here and there of the shimmer in the print. It's actually a jacquard, what we call jacquard. It's knitted in. It's not actually printed on, but it's a stunning suit. It's one, and can I just say, hey, it's a Siska, which gives you a waist when you don't even have one. Because look, I've got one, but I don't have one.
Boom.
Yeah, boom. And it's not only that, this has a little extra belt in the back to give you even more, if you want more, because have a look at this if you do it up. Okay, where is it? And I cinch this in a little bit more. I now
have a waist.
Look at this. It's because of the buttons, it's because of the cuts, it's because of the shape.
It's a magic blade.
All those things.
Just like us, we're all magic.
Yeah, it's magic because we're magic, so we put a bit of magic into everything.
Yes, we do.
At Motto. Yeah. Did you like that? Did you like the sound of that?
It's marketing pitch right there.
Yeah, right
Tell
there.
the team.
And, and not only that, it comes with these culottes, matching culottes, which are our jet culottes. They are also shapely, they're a shape maker. Yeah, shape creator. Yes. More magic.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't matter what length they are. And if they are right up there on you, that's even better because you can see your socks. I love that.
Do you know what?
I might crop them up to that. How awesome.
Ever since I heard that ankle socks are for the over 45s.
No.
I was horrified.
These are not ankle though.
No, I know that. But like all the young people say like, ankle socks for the 45 plus. Now I can't wear ankle socks because it's like giving me some real head noise. Well, so you're in fashion.
I'm in fact, but I've got to say that people have to get their head around what they're used to, what they like, and what's actually in fashion. And sometimes those things are two different things. So we make things that are on trend and in fashion. So they've got to be a bit up there. We don't make them for me or for Lauren and myself because we're
unfortunately
shorties.
Not.
Yeah, but I do say I like that cropped. It's a crop collar, and it has a pocket. And now I'm showing off my beautiful belt. Look at this new belt. Oh my lordy, there's a lot going on for this belt. I wonder if I ought to do it now. Shall I do it now? Maybe you can do it. I'm just going to show it off.
Okay.
And then you're going to do the rest.
All right. She's like, I'm getting sick of talking here. I'm getting sick of talking.
Let Lauren do some talking.
She's getting so naughty. Well, everyone's seeing my outfit.
Come over here and I'll do it on you.
Oh, okay.
This is a trick. It's a trick chain belt. It has bits you can take off. So you see there's two hooks at each end. Can everyone see that on there? And this one has a hook that you can take off too, and you can add to something else.
It's like a convertible.
I love that. I love that convertible belt. We should call it that.
I think we did call one that once.
Well, I'm glad we did. Okay, so I'm going to hook it onto this first up. Look at that. And drapes over your tummy, so you've got a nice flat tummy.
The thing I like is that it kind of hides.
Yeah,
if you've got something going on, it actually hides it. And because it's creating these kind of lines over your tummy, it really does flutter and slim you down.
And it's gold and silver, so we love mixed metal. We're going to go up close and show the gold and the silver. Right round. How nice is that? While you're there, the two hearts that hang off there, they also come off. So you can add this as a little extra bit. You can add to everything.
Add to your earring.
No,
I don't do that.
Actually, why not? Hey.
Don't do this, but...
No, it looks great. You know, I've seen that on
You're gonna buy
catwalks
two,
next
though.
summer. Yeah.
Well,
Next
one
summer.
earring was in for a while.
It is. It still is. Maybe. No, I made that
Oh,
up.
my
It was
goodness.
for
I
a
don't
while,
think it is.
but you know what? I would do that. And also, I was going to say, you can probably not hang it off there, but you can hang it off this pearl necklace because you see there's a little hook.
Oh,
And you
clever.
can hang it off the little hook. I can't talk and do that at the same time. See that?
Oh,
so look at that. So you
clever.
know those ladies who like when I add this extra bit down there? Well, guess what? You have got this extra.
Oh my gosh.
Two heart hanging, dangling.
Two for the price of one.
You get a lot for this belt.
You do.
Yeah, I don't know how much it is, but I bet it's a bargain. Just the same.
It's a bargain now because you can wear it 45 different ways. All right, can you? I'm going to keep this belt. Can you go?
Can I
and
just
do?
I'll
do
go
something
away.
else?
I'll go away. I'll just hang this back
Okay.
where it's meant to go.
All right, cool.
Okay.
Okay, now, is it my turn yet? Yeah, thank you.
yeah,
Hello,
go.
my name's Lauren.
Go.
Okay, so now I've got on the blazer. Again, this is our Siska. Faye mentioned it's a real waist maker, and I really want to hone into that. I am very straight up and down. I got it from my mum, but I'm a little bit wider straight up and down. So any chance I have to either elongate my legs, which, hello, who doesn't want that, or create a waist, this is the blazer that I go to. There are a few reasons for it, but you can see how it's actually creating, you know when you like have an hourglass shape, like that is an actual hourglass with the sand dripping down, Days of Our Lives, that vibe. Then this is exactly that shape, especially when you've got something a little bit darker. I've got a brighter colour underneath. What I've also done now is I've got this chain belt, but if you didn't want to do the chain belt, you can do something that just has a little bit of something up here. And what it does is it just draws the eye in because you're only seeing this little bit. So I actually have created a really amazing shape, and this is not my real shape. As I said, I'm very straight up and down with short legs. So by wearing the skirt a little bit more high-waisted, I've elongated my legs. I have on a new blogger shirt.
You do.
This is new.
It's new.
It's new. It's the marigold colour, and I actually just love it with this combo. And obviously it looks really great with Faye's pants as well. I had a bit of a front tuck. You can wear it long, especially if you're wearing tight pants. I think this looks great long, but you can see on me, it does actually shorten my legs. So see this, right? Compared to, I'm just going to roughly tuck that in, compared to that. See how my legs suddenly have come up? That's all the tricks that you can play around with when you're playing with fashion.
Oh, you're done.
I am complete.
Oh,
It is your turn.
Well, that was pretty good. I think I gave you quite a bit of time there.
Thank you.
Just
We're
admiring the
being,
outfit.
we're being really crap on the comments.
Oh,
Lauren,
really?
Lauren is going to, not me, Lauren. Other, you know, we've got 2 Laurens, 2 Fays, 2 Nicks, 2 Gabbies,
I know.
all in the
Go
one
figure.
warehouse.
One
How's that
company,
work?
one
Yeah.
room.
One room. Other Lauren will be answering your comments because I know we've missed a lot.
Okay. Well, we do that all the time.
Yeah,
we keep
we-
saying,
well-
join us, we'll talk to you, but we never do. You know why?
We sometimes
Because
do.
it's really hard to get dressed, talk, and read.
Oh, we're not, yeah.
Three things? I don't know if
We're not that good.
magical. I don't know
No,
if
we're not that
yeah,
good.
We're not
Yeah,
that
we're
good.
not that good.
Okay, so I'm showing you how this print looks amazing with a different colour and cobalt. I mean, it is a navy, by the way. It's navy, sort of like a taupey colour and gold. So it's cool, even though it has the gold. So I've mixed it with cobalt because I just love cobalt, and who doesn't? And it looks good, and you know I like it. It's one of my colours. But you can put it with any colour. You could have done it with red. You could have done it with tan. You could have done it with orange. You could have done, you name it. You could have done it, and it probably would work as long as it's your colour. It would look sensational. And then I've added this amazing coat. I know I'm not going to wear it like this, but I'll just show you that the hood actually is functional. And if you like hoodies, put it on top of your head, and you'll be fine. Very warm. Covers your booty. It's not a coat, so it's actually a short coat, and it actually does do up. See, it's in this fluffy fabric with magnetic buttons, so you don't actually have to do up your buttons if you don't like that, and comfy pockets.
Yeah, cute.
Good
I love
outfit,
that.
isn't it? Good
Yeah.
outfit.
I really
Okay.
like that. You know,
This also looks good. Sorry, with the jacket, I should have put on when I had the suit on, but you won't see that now until I'm finished.
I find that a camel, or, you know, similar tones
Like
to
a
this,
tan.
is so gorgeous when you're wearing other neutrals. So if you love to wear like grey, navy, black, white, you know, those obvious neutral colours, not all the other colours that we just decide are neutrals, but the real neutral colours.
The real neutrals.
Camel, yeah, the real neutrals, not like the red.
Black,
because that's a bit of a
navy,
neutral.
ivory.
And your animal print. I'm talking just the bare old basic
and
neutrals.
brown. That's it. Black. Did we say black?
Yeah, so
it may be grey.
I had that camel coat on today, and I had a pair of black pants. They had a white pinstripe, but very basic, and a light grey top.
Did you have that?
I was wearing it today.
Oh, that your outfit.
It was my actual outfit.
Your actual outfit, okay.
And it was like a bit without the, but as soon as I put on the camel coat, I'm like, looks expensive, chic, clean girl vibe, like
Ooh,
old money, old money vibe.
Old money.
We all want our old money vibe.
Yeah, that's what clean girl looks like.
Yeah.
Old money, ladies.
Old money vibe, slicked back bun, not too much makeup. Well, the look of not too much makeup, when actually there's a lot of makeup. All right, anyway, back to my outfit.
Pretend no makeup, but full on makeup.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, but natural looking makeup, which actually is harder to do than, the one. All right, so now what I've done is I have on our wide leg, I think they're called our wide leg Cleo pants. What they are is a very similar shape to our famous Cleo, but they do have a wider leg. So if you really want to get that floaty look, I find what I love about a baggy pant is it really balances your proportions. So like, does anyone get, sometimes I feel a bit like when I look in the mirror, I feel a little bit top heavy. Do you ever get that?
No.
Hands up who feels top heavy, like the big lollipop.
I know what you mean when you've got too much going on up here.
Yeah, and
There's too much going on.
Often shoes really ground me and balance me.
Yeah, I find that.
But if I want to wear a shoe that's not too chunky, then I find having something a little bit wider there, and I think it all comes down to you want to create that little waist. So bigger at the bottom, fancy, over the top on the top sort of thing, and then you've got something that just draws the eye in.
Love what you're saying.
Do you like
and
what
I
I'm
love
saying?
That jumper.
Oh my God,
yes.
This is so cool. Yes.
You know what I
This
find
is
mostly
coming.
with baggy pants, can I just say this?
Yeah.
Again, they create a waist when you do a front tuck. Because you've got all that volume there, you're just showing a little thing here like this, like just what I'm doing. Or a belt like Lauren's doing there, even those little eyelets are saying enough, but hey, there's a little waist under there.
Yeah, and there's really not.
Lying. We don't
See,
have
look at
a little
that.
waist.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean? But
Lots of rolls.
Yeah, exactly. They're all hidden under there. No one
I was
knows.
looking at you when I said that.
No, I love that. Really cute.
No, she knows I'm joking.
Yeah, no, I
don't
know
take
she's
offence.
joking. No,
Yeah,
no.
love her rolls.
Yeah, love all the rolls.
Love all, everyone's rolls.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Well, look, I thought I'd just show you like this first up because I am wearing my brooch on my blogger with a tie just because I wanted something under there. Look at that. Is that cool? Because fringing is also in, so this is sort of a kind of a fringy brooch. Look at this.
Yeah, cute. Really
If I
cute.
wiggle, you can see the fringe move. Yeah, and again, a totally different colour to the pant and looks sensational because navy and burgundy are just a thing, aren't they? They've been around. When I first got interested in fashion, when I was about, 10 or something, my first real outfit that Mum bought me was a navy skirt and a burgundy top. So I've always thought they go. I'm assuming they've always gone.
They do go.
It was the Sharpie.
They're again that
Sharpie
really...
and mod look. You don't remember that, but
No.
some of you ladies might if you're from my vintage. And you'll remember that, and it was a thing that they used to wear, like the burgundy with the navy or the navy with the burgundy. Yeah, that was their look. It's when everyone had to wear the same thing in the 60s. Oh. Anyway, I'm putting on my red coat because I just think this looks cool.
Yeah, it doesn't
Like it? Yeah, like it.
I'd love to see as well the matching sister with that burgundy underneath, just for something.
Yeah, let's
a
do
little
it.
bit
Yeah, I'll
different.
do it. I'll do it. Yeah, so it was in 63. This is going back in time, everyone. The Beatles came to Adelaide, 'cause I'm from Adelaide, right? And I so wanted to go, and that's what that burgundy, my burgundy just crew neck jumper, because that's what it was, and my navy pencil skirt. I don't remember the shoes. I wonder what shoes they were. I can't remember that. I think they were not sneakers. Sneakers weren't around then. I think they were like school shoes, because that's probably all I had back then, school shoes. I don't know if I could afford, my parents could have afforded 2 pairs of shoes. Yeah, look at this. Come on, hot.
Yeah,
I've
really
got to
nice.
say,
I
really
love
hot.
that. That's really
Oh,
boss.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't like the look of turning cuffs back. I like them hanging down and wearing armbands, and I don't know if they're armbands. I was looking for them before.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much. There we go. It's fun going back in time. Does anyone remember that? And the Beatles came to Adelaide. Ringo Starr was sick. He didn't come to Adelaide. I was devastated. Not that I cared, because I really didn't fancy him much. I like Paul McCartney. There we go.
Yeah, that's
now
cool.
we're talking. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
So if I'm going to wear this, I probably won't do a belt, because that's enough. It just gives a little bit of a
Yeah, I think that's
where
nice.
the eye goes in the centre, and if I want to wear I've got a t-shirt under this, which is not nice, a top. If the black wasn't there, this would be good because I wouldn't be exposing. So I'll just do this so you can tell, but just imagine the black's not there, and I think that's really beautiful. Look.
Yeah, I think that's cute. I do really like that. Yeah, nice.
Okay.
So I've done something. I wanted to do like a little bit more of a pared back look. If you want to, use your let's say like during the week clothes on the weekend, but you want to have a little bit more of a chill vibe. I've got our luxury linen paper bag pants. That's a tongue twister. I think that's what they're called.
Wow.
I do believe they're on sale now. They're a really, really gorgeous pant. I love them with flats. I actually bought 2 pairs of the same colour. That's how much I love them. So this is the look. Really nice and cool, especially if you live somewhere like Queensland or Perth or one of those places. And I've just got it on with one of our navy shirts. This is our Charlie shirt. There's not many left, so please jump on it if you are interested. It might not last long. I've done it with the matching... Well, not the matching blazer, but a tonal blazer. And if you aren't so into the pant, I couldn't decide what I wanted to wear, so I bought both. We also have this jersey tube skirt. So if you are not a bad like that sort of relaxed pant girl, you could also go for something like that.
Yeah, I'd probably do
which
that.
is a really nice
So
tight.
Classy.
Yeah, a little bit more similar to the first outfit I had on, but this is obviously in that mocha colour, which looks really good too.
Love mocha and navy. I mean,
Yeah, me too.
These are so, like what you're looking at now, ladies, are so on trend. They're really amazing looks. I just wanted to say one thing. What was it? I just wanted, because we're about to finish, I'm just going to say hi, Cindy. Cindy came to do some shopping. I'm sure you won't mind me saying. And we said hello. And I said I'd say hi.
Oh, hi Cindy again.
Yeah,
the second time today.
second time.
Yeah,
Okay.
glad you got home safe, Cindy.
Yeah, but she might still be shopping. Is she still here? No, she's gone.
No,
She's gone. It's okay.
She left with a lot of bags though. That suit was in it. Okay.
It was.
She
It
shopped at the
was.
store.
She reminded me because she likes the way we show all these
Oh,
different items. This was the inspo for today.
Cindy,
Okay.
hope we gave you more inspo, Cindy, and everyone else.
Okay,
All right,
so
guys.
we'll see you tomorrow.
See you
Bye for
tomorrow.
now.
Bye.